Might have to pour some gas in the carburetor. This thing's been started in a long time. Just need a little gas down our throat. It's been started probably all year. I don't know, it's been a while. A little round front there. Some air in the tire. I'm gonna air this tire up a little bit. I'm gonna take it for a little trip down the road. We're gonna come back and get started pulling this little 305 out. My daddy just had these tires put on these wheels, they're brand new tires. He ain't drove them none. He said he had a problem getting this one to seal. Looks like it might be leaking right there around the rim. So, I don't know. I'm gonna air it up, maybe driving on it a little bit. It'll help with the seal off. A little bit of blue smoke, and that's the main reason we're swapping the motor. See how she starts now. Fire right up now. Should have cleaned the windshield off a little bit, I reckon, but oh well. It's one good riding and driving truck, I know that. This thing rides, drives awesome. Smooth. No shaking, anything like that. Steering is nice and tight. Just a good truck all around. Once we get that other motor in here, it'll be a really good truck. Everything works on it. We ain't gonna try no burnout or nothing in it. Since it is just a 305, probably won't even do a burnout. What's going on, everybody? So we got my daddy's 86 Silverado here. Took it down the road and back real quick. One last drive with the 305. If you ain't watched any of the other videos, we picked up that 96 over there several months ago for a parts truck. Had a good Vortec 350 in it. That's what we're gonna put in here. We're gonna leave it stock. My daddy, he don't want a cam or nothing in it. He just wants a good running little motor with a little pep in its step. That's something this 305 definitely ain't got. We're just gonna put the Vortec 350 in here with a carburetor on it, and that'll be pretty much it. But I mean, hell, just that alone will probably double the horsepower of this thing. It did flood last night, so probably ain't gonna get her out today because I ain't too keen on crawling her under it in the mud right now. So I'm just gonna tackle everything up top, and then the next day or so, if it don't rain again, it dries up, and we'll jump underneath and get all that. But for now, let's get started up top here. Get done what I can get done. Oh crap. Come off of there.
This is for the truck.
Yeah. I got that crap out of the way. I hate the way they both them shrouds in. Down here on the bottom, hard as hell to get to. Maybe the air conditioner didn't work. Got no freon in it. That don't mean it won't work. Pressure's free. That's how it goes. And pull the carburetor off too. Get it out of the way. There's a lot of stuff we're gonna be getting rid of on this thing. I know that. A lot of unnecessary bull crap. That's for sure. I need all these plug wires out of the way so I can see what's. Tell you what. They put a lot of bull crap on these trucks in the 80s, 70s and 80s model vehicles, period. All the smog junk, bunch of dang bull crap. Oh, don't you love it when the bolts just come right out? Yeah. Alright, so we got most of the stuff up top here undone. Got the motor mount bolts out. Obviously there's still some wires and all hooked to the starter. I'll get them whenever I get everything underneath undone. I'm debating on whether to just leave the transmission in or pull it out with the motor. I don't know. I might just leave it in there. That way I ain't got to unhook everything underneath. All I have to do is jump under there and get the exhaust undone. And then that would probably be pretty much it if I decide to leave the transmission in there. Got a lot of stuff that we're going to be cleaning up on this thing. I mean, a lot of wires and vacuum lines going everywhere that we don't need, and some of them we do need. All this stuff here, all that crap's gonna be done away with. We won't have no more of that junk on here. Like I said, these 70s and 80s model vehicles, they got a lot of useless crap on them for smog and all that junk. But we put that 350 in here, we're gonna have it looking a lot nicer up under here, that's for sure. But I'm gonna end this video off here, and then in the next one, like I said, we'll tackle everything underneath. I'll decide if I'm gonna leave the transmission in it or pull it out with the motor. Might just leave it in there, I don't know. I'll figure it out. But for now, that's gonna be the end of this one. So like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more. Later.